Welcome everyone. We are from Team Code Red, a passionate Salesforce team dedicated to deliver small and scalable solutions that solves real-world business challenges. Today, we are excited to walk you through how we helped our businesses, Petals and Promises, a wedding management company, that transforming their customer experiences by using the power of Salesforce. They approach us with a set of challenges they are facing. First point is lead capturing. They are till now they are doing it manually by the sales rep. To reduce the overload of the sales rep, they approach us with a set of challenges, automated the lead capturing, and second one is a package customization. Even though we share some of the packages for like standard, elite, premium, and we have some add-ons also, but some customers need some package customizations in that. So everyone is not liking our package settings, right? So they need something to be removed and something to be included in the packages. So for that customization, they want us to automate that. And third point is code generation. Based on the custom package selection, they need to generate a code, right? That also need to be generated in the automation. And also the payment integration, as we all do the payment integration, that is also we need to automate. For these challenges, how we do in the Salesforce, by using the Salesforce, how the team coded crafted the solutions, we can see now. First, I would like to show our website here. Yeah, here. When a customer logins, this is the first page they are seeing. So our business doing some premium and elite packages also. So they just want to elaborate it on pictures. So we just done it, and we have the enquire buttons also here. So the customers can also enquire here. That will generate into lead from here. And we have the packages page also, like standard, premium, and elite packages. We have the bottom page, and this particularly business needs, they needs to show to the customer, their customers, like what are the works they have previously done. So we just did for that. This is the work our business Petals and Promises already means previously worked for one of their clients. So this is the setup they have done. This we just added, and we have about us page and privacy policy page also. This is all about our quick walkthrough of our website and how we achieved through Salesforce. Our team will explain. Now I'm hand over to our deployment manager and Scrum master, Vikraman.
Thank you for a brief explanation about an website. Here I'm going to explain about a website which is done in Experience Cloud. Here, as Sindhuja told that everything is already predefined with an Salesforce Experience Cloud. I have implemented these videos and photos which was doing here is about a LWC component, and here the inquiry button, here after the clicking of an inquiry button from customer side, they will shown as an inquiry form to fill their information by their manually to get a lead from this website for a business scenario. Here I would like to ask anybody to come and as a customer to enroll this inquiry form. Anybody willing to come? Yeah.
Next week. Do next week marriage, man.
Marriage is June 10.
Okay. Vignesh is going to get married in June 10. Here, after submitting the submit button, after submitting the submit button, the lead will be generated in our Salesforce org. And if the customer wants to visit our past work, he can click here and can go through our past work which was done before. And now I am going to hand over to our project manager and developer Gokila Shri about our lead generation and automation process.
Thank you, Vikram. Thank you, Vignesh, for becoming our first customer. So right now, it's like a moment before, Vignesh have inquired, fill out the inquiry form. So now I'll go with how the org will be going to work. So then after we fill in the inquiry form, the lead get created and the brochure will be sent to the customer's email ID with the brochure. Then after the customer viewed the brochure, they will have the package details, and then a sales representative of the company, they will contact the customer, ask about the brochures and packages they are going to pick. So if they are okay with they are ready to do business with them, then the lead will be converted to opportunity. So now after that the package will be selected. So both customized and standard. So based on the customer's choice, the package will be selected, and then the code will generate automatically. We have done automation for that, and then the code will be sent to the customer for the final payment. So once the final payment it gets done, as a sales representative, they will get things done with the service manager as a vendor coordination. So they will send a mail to sales manager, and then sales manager will be assigning tasks for the service managers and service representative. And then once 70% or 80% work will be done, the process will get done. Like they will intimate both service representative and then sales representative, and then also customer will also get the what are the tasks will be finished until now. They will get back-to-back notifications. So now we will. So once as Vignesh recently submitted an inquiry form, right? He has entered his email ID. So right now, so it will take some time to reach the email to go into his inbox. So this is the sample template. It will be sent to Vignesh with his name and the event dates and the brochure. So in this brochure has the package details. And then, so these are the items, the products included in the brochure, both the premium, elite and standard package with the add-ons. And once the brochure will be sent to the customer, they will have a quick call with the sales representative about the booking. Once they choose the package, this will be again sent. This email will be again sent to the customer with the quotation, final quotation. So right now we have a lead as Vignesh. At first, so when the lead gets inside the org, it will be in the queue. The users in the sales representative profile who are all available at that moment, they will go and pick it manually. Let me go with Vinya. So once I change the owner, here the task also in the task also got ready. It assigned it to that user who picked the lead. And so during this lead conversation, as I told before, the sales representative will make a call with the customer, and they will get to know whether the lead will be converted into a customer or not. So Vignesh, can we convert you as a customer? Okay. So as of now, we are doing this for B2C. So we'll have a opportunity and person account. Now leads get converted. So here, the Vignesh has a person account. So when the lead changes into opportunity, it's the Stripe ID will be generated for the payment. So, and then we will go with the opportunity. Now, until this stage, the sales representative and the customer will be in a touch, and then the sales representative marked it as a qualification, the qualified a person. Then after that, they have a discussion with the products. So now I invite Vignesh to come and pick a product. So which package would you like to choose, Vignesh?
Premium.
Premium. Okay, we are going with premium. So here we are not going to dump all the products have to choose by the customer. So here also we have a customization. If the customer don't need any themed decor or a live dance show or a premium photography, means they will this one uncheck this one. So which one would you like? Would you like to take all, or you want to go customization for this? Okay, thank you, Vignesh. Would you like to add more products?
Yes.
Okay. So here, so apart from the products in the premium package, so everything will be listed out. They will pick anything from the luxury and also basic and also add-ons. Okay. So you need a firework for your wedding. Okay. Okay, return gift. Okay, good choice. So do you want a groom package?
No.
No?
No cost.
Okay. Helicopter entry for your
Where is helicopter entry?
there. Oh, excuse me.
No helicopter entry.
Okay, maybe it exists. Okay, we'll skip that one now. So we'll do the quick vanity. So you want a live dance show. How many celebrities you want for this?
2 celebrities.
2 celebrities. Okay. Since Vignesh is our first customer, we are doing a celebrity show for his marriage. Luxury car entry. 2. I think it is for his and his bride.
Yes.
And fireworks.
10.
Only both. So artist on. So now, thank you, Vignesh. Now opportunity quote line item, opportunity item would be. We will get a full payment for this. Okay, now opportunity line item have created. You can see all the products which have chosen by our customer here listed here. Okay, so here the quantity and the products. So here after, excuse me. So after the package was selected, we will generate the code for the given chosen package. So for this, we can do the code generation manually, but for this, they will, as a sales step, they will take more time for all the customer to do. So here, if you look into this, the manual way. So the sales representative have to fill all the forms. Here the tax, shipping, and billing address, they have to do it all manually. So for them to reduce their time, we have created on headless code quick action button here. So if we created a create code button here, the quotation will be automatically generated for the selected products. Yeah, the code gets generated here. Now we have seen the code line items. So after the code gets generated, we have created a amount of So here we have created PDF. It will automatically fetch all the information from the opportunity to the code line item page. It will be okay. So here, so before, so in this stage, this will be the final amount. We have sent this. We will send this code to the customer. But if they need any discount, means they will have a talk with the sales representative, and then after we will have a discussion over through call. So here we will enter the discount amount for each products. And then again we generate the final quotation, and we will send it through the email. So this one we are doing it manually. Can I? Attention. Okay. Now the next part, the payment part, will be take over by Ashok.
Okay, hello guys. Okay, once the proposal is completed, then the next part is payment, right? Whenever they are ready to pay, we'll move to the payment tab. Okay, once you click the payment and mark as complete, the payment Stripe link will create, and the email will be automatically sent to the customer through email. If we paid the amount now, the return, the Stripe will through the webhook, it will return the details, and the payment will be marked as completed, and the completed email also will be sent to the customer. Whenever an account is created simultaneously in Stripe, he will be created as a customer, and for the product log, what are the amount he entered will be here for the payment. After the mail sent, once it got to the customer, this is how it shows. If you're paying through card, yeah, this is how it's work generally. After the payment is completed, see if it's failed now, it will store here, or if it's passed now, we can see it here. Through the webhook only, it will return send the inbound message that will trigger and store it here as payment completed, and the payment reference number also generated through outbound link. This is how the process work. After the payment completed, okay, the mail will be automatically triggered. Once the payment is completed, there's one flow. It will automatically trigger and send the payment details this customer complete the payment details, like that it will send the mail to the sales manager. What the sales manager will do, he will inform the service manager to take the service inside website. He'll inform to the service manager, and here it's Ashok. Okay, the mail will send the service manager. Once he informed to the service manager, he'll assign one team for the particular customer. And how the internal chat will go is using the chatter feed. Here, for a single customer, they can collaborate here to give the customer seamless experience. Single point of contact will be the sales rep only. And wait. Once the service manager got the mail from the team, he'll just assign someone from the opportunity team. See, he's a service rep, she's a service rep. He can add the team members, so they are also part of this opportunity. Until the marriage is completed, both sales team and service team will work on this opportunity until it will become a closed one. That's how the process will go. I'm handing over to Niyaz bro. Thank you.
Hi, all. Good afternoon. In this project, I worked as a developer. In this project. In this project, we faced a lot of challenges. Few of things I want to share with you, and we are learned from that. The first challenge is unable to fetch the group object from the experience side. We have an inquiry flow in experience side. That flow query the setup object like object group or profile ID or roles like that. We are unable to fetch the setup object from the experience side because of the sharing model restriction. So we configure the flow. Run as system context without sharing. Now we can able to fetch the setup object from the experience side. The next one is queue ownership blocking the lead conversion. While the lead record is created, the task also will created. Both of the records will be in the queue. Whenever the sales rep took the record, the task should be reassigned to this record lead owner. Or else Salesforce block the lead conversion because of Salesforce behave when the lead conversion lead related record will reparenting the account related record. In this process, lead has a task has a record owner, not a queue. The next one is creating customer user for person account. In Salesforce, creating customer user have some requirements. First one is the contact must be associated with the account record. In this case, we are enable the person account, so this is not the problem for us. We faced a new one. That is that account record owner must configure in the role hierarchy. Otherwise, we not configure that role record owner as a role hierarchy. User record can't be created. This is the mark username, and he is assigned in a role. Next one is customizing package with the multiple price books. Okay. Initially, we have three price books. Opportunity must have associated with only one price book. Initially we classify the packages based on the price books. It is not possible in Salesforce. So we create one price book for all products, and we classify the products based on this custom object. We need to use a custom object and classify the products based on these packages. That packages are related with product. Now we have 26 products and one price books. That all 26 products are listed in these price book entries. So we can able to customize the customization. This is another challenge. All code line items showing the same product name. This is our quotation. You can see the product name as the same. This behavior is strange in flow. Because of we used the loop element inside the flow. Inside the loop element, we have a record variable. In record variable in flow, same record variable inside the loop. We did not create a same record variable inside the loop. We can't. We didn't create a new copy of each time. So the memory will override the product name. We can easily avoid that issue by using the transform element. Once we configure the transform element, the loop will avoid. The transform element runs back in. Transform element runs back in the code. And another option, we can go with the Apex action. Next one is redirecting flow execution without showing the flow finished screen. That code creation flows is a auto launched flow. When we invoke the auto launched flow by button, it should be end with the end screen. We can't avoid that screen, but we can bypass that screen because by using the button configuration. This is the button configuration page. This is flow URL and that record ID. The marked is a return URL and the target ID. We configure the return URL and target ID. We can ignore that end screen and we can easily redirect to the record page. And this will works with only auto launched flow, which is invoked by buttons, Apex and record flows. The next one is storage limit exceeded. We also face this issue. We are not aware about the experience side. So we add more images in CMS content bodies. Later the error will throw. Storage will exceed. You can't create the record. So we can try to remove that. We removed that. Records from content bodies, but storage will not clear. So we informed that. To our trainer. He will escalate the mail to support team. They said it will clear. In 2 days, 3 days. So we migrate our project to new org. That's it.
Actually, why it's even though we delete the files, why it's showing there's occupied memory now. Whatever we do, it will store in multiple servers. So they take time for the servers to refresh all the servers and to clear the cache and to give the storage, and that's the reason they gave. And for the Stripe payment, it is not worked now. It's because there's also limited. It's a test account now. We can't exceed certain amount limit. If it's 2 to 3 packages selected now, it will definitely would have worked. That's how it worked for Ram Manohar. But not Viknesh case now, because he chose the premium package with the helicopter entry and all, right? It exceeded the amount, so it's not worked in his case because of the test account. And that's it. Yeah, I have one more thing to say. For this opportunity, we can easily go to Service Cloud to handle the operation by creating cases. Why we stick to the Sales Cloud only? The customer don't want to pay for both Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. So they wanted a solution with the Sales Cloud only. So we proposed the opportunity team where both sales team, service team will work on the same opportunity object, and they will be assigned to the opportunity object only after the payment is done. So this is the solution we proposed and they accepted, and that is for the demo. Is there any feedback or questions you can ask?
Yeah, hi Ashok. Able to hear me? This is Niyaz.
Hi sir. Yes sir.
Yeah, it's really a wonderful presentation. I have a couple of questions, to your team. So basically,
Okay,
you
sir.
try to generate a payment. The payment was not generated, right? So
Yes.
how the Salesforce user will be notified, or how the user will identify, what's the problem with that payment generation?
Yeah, it will be stored in a error log. Wait. Actually, I haven't streamlined it, but I created because of the issue. I haven't streamlined it. It will store the error will be captured in the here and stored in here. That's how we planned. Since we changed the website, I can do all that in the short period. That's why I didn't show it.
So I have one more suggestion along with that. So in real time, there might be multiple opportunities might be processed at the same time, right? So it
Yes.
will be good to have a solution for an end user so that I can check it out. What are the payments I need to reprocess, right? So if you have any system like that, if you don't have, I will suggest to have one system so that I can come tomorrow and I can redo the process, whatever it may be, when it is fixed, right? If I have a list of opportunities to be processed, so that it will definitely help the end user to identify the items in the bucket, right? So
Yes.
yeah, these are the two things technically from my side. So appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Any other?
So, guys, separately you have maintained a challenge faced PPT, so you must have faced lot of issues here and there, and we all have witnessed that yesterday. So, yeah, it's a thing which we happened, and you resolved it, and you have presented it so well. So. It is actually need to be posted on LinkedIn because lot of them are actually facing those issues. So it will be helpful for, and the people who are all posting this will get a great engagement in a LinkedIn page. Okay, so I just insist you people to post that on LinkedIn without fail. Even if you are posting your a project PPT what that promises, petals and promises or not, you must post that challenges PPT. And overall, it is a neat and good presentation. Even though there is a lot of chaos yesterday, and you have done it very well. And the PPT wise, it is very good. Actually, it's been very motion pictures. It was very good.
Credits go to Sindhuja.
Okay, good job, okay. It was so good. So I'm happy to see Niyaz on the final sprint, especially. Okay, so thank you so much.
At this moment, we thank Issam Aldeen, who is our quality analyst, who is not feeling well today. So he worked as a QA, and he helped a lot for us to rectify our mistakes. So I take this moment to thank him. So Baulia, we got idea from her. So we really truly grateful for her in this project. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you guys. I can say it's a good comeback because within short time you overcome your challenges. Because yesterday evening your site got crashed and it was not working well. But within short time you come up with all the ideas again.
Yeah,
And,
since we know what will work, what will not, and we know the core of our project, so we easily recreated by separating the task. So it's easy.
okay. So challenges part, you have good experience in this project right now. Okay. So coming to UI part and slides, I am really impressed with your slides and UI part. It's very good. Okay. So coming to your overall project, so once a customer come in, once they will do any inquiry form, you'll be getting the lead, right?
Yes.
So do you have any scenarios to avoid duplicate leads?
Yeah, every field will have.
No, what I'm asking is for single marriage, maybe unknowingly, two people will give the inquiry. So do you have any duplicates to avoid duplicates?
Through mail ID and phone number only we are doing.
That is what. So for same event,
If it's
I'm
from
also
groom
I'm also
side, father
doing
and
inquiry.
bride side father, na, we didn't. We didn't actually. Honestly, we didn't.
No. What I'm asking is, yeah.
That's why what you are asking, right? If
Okay, there is a
person
event.
from
Okay.
groom side or even side both are
That's what.
creating
Yeah, both the sides, maybe unknowingly. If
unknowingly, okay.
if they do inquiry, so how can you identify it's a duplicate lead?
through the phone conversation only, because for all the details will be.
So with that we can manually identify the thing, but technically with the phone number and email ID only we will get to know if they are enquiring again or not.
Okay, sometimes
They do the enquiry, but they won't go all the way process. Right?
got it.
Because
So when
at the
can we
point-
understand it's a duplicate lead? Means when sales rep calling to the customer, they'll take the information, right?
Yes.
Like date, venue, this and all. That time they can understand, right? So is there any chance? I'm sure there won't be single sales rep. Different sales reps will be there.
Yeah.
In case two different sales reps, if they created two different leads, what will be happen?
The sales reps are inquiring have an inquiry with the customer, right? Definitely they will enter the details of our customer. So they will.
That's what I'm asking. So manually only we need to fix this error, or do we have any mechanism for this?
So while entering their phone number and email ID, right? They have a call with the customer. So
Correct.
they will definitely they will enter. So this phone number will be same, means they will have a notification like.
That's what. See here, we too have. We both are sales reps.
Actually, we can filter that in choosing the venue, because same
That's what
date,
I'm
same
asking.
time both the persons both record will try to book the same
Okay,
venue.
if that is the case, what is the resolution? So to whom you can call and you can tell that we already having this order.
Okay. Actually, we have
Nowhere we have been informed this.
The one who have placed the inquiry first.
both the parties, and we can talk, but
That's
it has to be
correct.
done manually. We
Manually
haven't,
only.
Yes.
Okay.
We haven't.
So if that
we
is the
haven't-
case,
yeah.
I'm one sales rep, sales number A and B. So I already entered the data. So can she able to see my data? Either this data is matching or not. How can she understand? This lead already converted as already came as inquiry.
No. Actually, they can't go. Everybody, if say two parties will come for the same marriage, na, only along the process only we can find out in manual way by booking the same venue. We haven't.
That's what.
thought, we haven't thought that way. So we'll try to implement and streamline
Okay.
that in future implementation.
Okay.
Maybe. Okay.
Thank you. And who is overlooking this process?
Sales manager and
Overlooking of entire this project. For example, customer came in, sales rep converted as a lead. Sorry, not lead, as a contact. Okay. So after that, how it's going to be completed? Who will be overlooking it?
sales rep only.
Only sales rep.
Sales rep only. Until
Okay.
the opportunity close, he'll take care of it everything.
Okay. So for customer, single point of contact will be only sales
Sales
rep.
rep only. Yes.
Okay. So do you have any timeline to get the to fix the schedule for this events? For example, within short time they're giving inquiry. Within week gap they're asking inquiry. So like that, do we have any timelines to accept the order, to accept the event? Because it's not a small event, right?
Yes. Yes.
It's a big one. So lifetime once they'll do this kind of events. So that time, will you take any time, or whatever you are getting the inquiries, you will be accepting it?
Yeah.
I'm not getting this exactly.
In org, it will be a 1 week before. So if they want to do the immediate wedding means, we will all do through phone call.
So if
Like
it is
3
less
days
than
before
week,
means-
you won't accept it.
Yes, Anna.
That's what I'm asking, because all these things we won't informed anywhere. Even in inquiry form also, we haven't informed. So that's it from my side. Remaining, everything is good. Thank you for your wonderful.
If you are interested to learn Salesforce, visit AJ Skill Development website There you can find our course curriculum and you can come to know about the list of courses we are offering. We are offering Salesforce Administrator and Salesforce Development courses. To know about us and the team, you can visit our About Us section. This is an organization we are doing Salesforce training from 2018, and we have trained and guided 2000 plus candidates so far. And if you also want to know about our placement assistants, visit our placement assistance section where you can find the list of people and the category. You can see the list of people who got trained and placed from our side. You can also visit their LinkedIn pages to get to know about our training and also the feedback from the relevant trainees. Okay. And also, if you want to do the course inquiry, click on contact us. You will see the form. You can fill the form and submit the inquiry. Our team will get back to us. Thank you.